How do you start your day?
I start with breakfast and some study time.
What did you learn in the last class?
We learned about fractions.
When do you usually do your homework?
I do it right after school.
Why didn't you submit your assignment?
I forgot to bring it today.
Which book are you reading now?
I'm reading The Three Mistakes of My Life.
Do you need help with your math problems?
Yes, I'm stuck on one question.
Does your bus come on time every day?
Most of the time, yes.
Did you understand the new topic?
I need a bit more explanation.
Should we review the last chapter again?
Yes, that would help a lot.
Will you finish your project by Friday?
I will try my best.
Have you ever traveled by bus for a field trip?
Yes, we went to the museum last year.
Had you finished your reading before the quiz?
No, I didn't finish all of it.
What do you find most challenging about this subject?
The equations are tough for me.
How often do you revise your notes?
I try to do it weekly.
When will you take your next test?
Next Wednesday.
Why is it important to practice regularly?
It helps in understanding better.
Who did you ask for help with this problem?
I asked Jack.
Does your friend understand the lesson too?
Yes, he does.
What time do you usually leave for school?
I leave at 7:30 a.m.
How did you prepare for the exam?
I revised and did practice tests.
Why do you think you need to study more?
To improve my grades.
Which topics do you want to review?
I need help with geometry.
Will you bring your project tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Do you enjoy working in groups?
Yes, it makes learning fun.
Does your family help you with schoolwork?
Sometimes they do.
Did you read the entire book?
Not yet, I'm halfway through.
Should we practice more before the quiz?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Have you seen the new science video?
Yes, it was very informative.
Had you studied for this test earlier?
Yes, I started last week.
What do you think about today's topic?
It's very interesting.
How do you solve this problem?
I use the formula we learned.
When is your next project due?
Next Monday.
Why didn't you finish your assignment on time?
I had some family commitments.
Which chapter are you struggling with?
I'm struggling with Chapter 3.
Will you join the math club this year?
Yes, I plan to.
Do you need extra time for the test?
No, I'm fine.
Does anyone in the class know the answer?
I think Jack knows it.
Did you complete the lab experiment?
Yes, we finished it yesterday.
Should we go over the homework now?
Yes, please.
Have you discussed this topic with your parents?
Yes, we talked about it yesterday.
Had you written the essay before the deadline?
Yes, I submitted it early.
What do you think we can do better as a class?
We can focus more during lessons.
How does this experiment work?
We mix the chemicals and observe the reaction.
When will you submit your final draft?
By Friday.
Why do you think practice is important?
It helps in mastering the topic.
Who will be your partner for this project?
I'm working with Sarah.
Does your computer work properly?
Yes, it's fine now.
Did you get any feedback on your essay?
Yes, I did.
Should I assign more homework for practice?
Maybe a few more problems.
Will you revise the material before the test?
Yes, definitely.
Have you practiced solving these types of questions?
Yes, I did a few examples.
Had you attended the extra class?
Yes, I did.
What did you do during the break?
I relaxed and read a book.
How do you feel about the upcoming exam?
I'm a little nervous.
When did you start studying this subject?
I started last year.
Why do you enjoy this class?
I like the way you explain things.
Which notebook do you use for science?
I use the blue one.
Will you attend the extra help session?
Yes, I will.
Do you understand the difference between these terms?
Yes, now I do.
Does your group need more time to finish?
No, we're almost done.
Did you revise the study guide?
Yes, I reviewed it.
Should we schedule another review session?
Yes, that would be great.
Have you visited the school library?
Yes, a few times.